Okay, this question says, principle of redundancy is used when system reliability is improved through redundant or backup components. Assume that your alarm clock has a 0.804 chance or probability of working on any given morning. What is the probability that your alarm clock will not work on the morning of an important final exam? So the probability of the alarm clock working is equal to 0.804. So the probability of the alarm clock not working would be the complement, which is 1 minus 0.804. And a lot of people ask me, a lot of students ask me, where does the 1 come from? Well, the 1 is the total probability. If you remember back when we talked about probability in 4.2, there was a scale, and the scale is from 0 to 1. So 1 is the total probability, and that's where the 1 comes from. And then this is the probability that it will work. So you subtract the probability of work of the alarm clock working from 1, and that will give you your not working probability, which comes out to be 0.196. So the answer to A is 0.196. Now, B asks, if you have two such alarm clocks, what is the probability that they both will fail? What is the probability that they both will fail? Well, if you have two alarm clocks and they have a failure of 0.196, then you're going to take 0.196 and raise it to the second power for two alarm clocks. And that comes out to be 0.038416. So you've got a 0.04 chance of them both not working. The third part of the question says, with one alarm clock, you have a 0.804 chance of being awakened. What is the probability of being awakened using the two alarm clocks? Well, if this probability is not working the two alarm clocks, then the probability of these two working would be the complement of 1 minus not working. So 1 minus not working would be 0.038416, and that's going to be equal to 0.961584, 0.961584. Now, your original probability of an alarm clock working was 0.804. The probability of two alarm clocks working is 0.96. So I would say that your chances of a mishap of your alarm clocks would be very low if you use two alarm clocks, or the alarm clocks would work a considerable amount better, or however you want to say it, with 0.96 probability versus a 0.80 probability.